Omo Baba number one, and I am inside Alaba market where piracy is doing its top. As you can see, I'm at the car park. We want to see the way piracy has been dealing with Too Short and how Too Short has been dealing with piracy. I beg, never record, I won't raw powder, I beg.
Even with powder, you still no fight.
Your mother, I know I am handsome. Let's go inside Alaba market to see what's going on. Omo Baba number one.
Yes, sir. Too Short. Yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir. Too Short. Yes, sir.
Oh, listen to my song. I what it took me to stay this long. I came since 1992 and all the stress I had to get into.
Too Short.
Man is a household name. I came from a long line to fame, and my aim is to kick this game. I put on my bad belly peeps to shame.
No be you.
Talk say yeah, they rap nonsense.
No be you.
Talk say rap, no make sense. I see piracy, I take one risk.
Yes.
And y'all know my mind for one compact this. And this is where rap took me big time and a sold out CD. Now see me floss, no more loss. I don't they feel like one very big bros.
Yes, sir.
Alaba boys,
Too Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Idumota,
Too Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Upper
Too
Iweka,
Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Aba boys,
Too Short. Yes, sir.
which level? Some say Too Short sold out.
Okay.
Now only pigeon fool my mouth. I don't turn to Alaba tout, no doubt. I don't understand what's that all about. My yarns come from the streets.
Alright.
I place them all on beat.
That's true.
The more you buy, I eat. I stood for years, come seat.
Well done.
My clique is still the tribe.
Oh, yes.
We'll see they much alive. Dope tracks provides the vibe. My culture you invite.
Shina them.
No one make I sing.
Shina them.
They plan to thief my bling. This is for my people. Chop knuckle when I see you.
Yes, sir.
Alaba
Too
boys,
Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Idumota,
Too Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Upper
Too
Iweka,
Short. Yes, sir.
which level?
Yes, sir.
Aba boys,
Too Short. Yes, sir.
which level? The way to face pirates,
Okay.
now to join them gyrate.
That's true.
Now them they talk your fake.
That's true.
You they sing them they wait.
Alright.
Oh my hair now my town.
Oh, yes.
For them I hold it down. My name don't they around. My enemies they frown. I stand out and defeat.
Alright.
All of them they 6 feet.
6 feet.
Them no fit stand the heat. Which level? Feel these beats.
Yes, sir.
Alaba boys.
You know what? Yes, sir.
Which level?
Yes, sir.
Surulere. Which level?
Yes, sir.
FTT boys.
Yes, sir.
Which level?
Yes, sir.
Lagos Island. Which level?
Yes, sir.
You know what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's true.
Yes, sir.
You know what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's true.
Yes, sir.
You know what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's true.
Yes, sir.
You know what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
Short in the house. I won't be talking to Too Short. First thing first, Too Short, let's get to know you. Let's get to know you.
Okay, I'm an Alaba boy.
What kind of intro is that?
Most definitely, Too Short is apart from being too short, as in too short. He's an okay individual, although he can be a very hot-headed human being sometimes, and which is something we have to do something about. We know he's a superstar and all that, but then he head to the heart sometimes. But Pirated Copy is a lovely title for an album. Thief, Ole, Carry Go is definitely my song and my video. And then Odeshi is lovely. Lion, my guy. You know, Odeshi is lovely, and the fact that he was one of the first people to actually get an Alaba marketer to market his album. You understand? So anyways, Too Short is good. Former member of Four Men. I don't know if he's still a member, but then again, Four Men had it going on. Right now, Too Short is representing the tribes. You know, Too Short is a good guy. Definitely going to be on the scene for some time. It's going to be on the scene for some time. That's the only thing that will not be Too Short. Stay in the industry. Too Short, big up.